Hey guys, welcome back to Mark the Point. So here we are on the Carnival Freedom. This is the last day of the cruise. This is day 5. Craps has not been good to us, okay? Let's just say I've tried every way of playing. I've tried dark side, I've tried light side. It's all, I've tried the bulletproof, I've tried everything. It just wiped us pretty good. Played some blackjack, I did okay up and down on blackjack. But again, this is the last night, and if you don't know, as you play, you get play points or free points on Carnival. In this case, it converts to free play. So I said, you know what? I had like 35 bucks of free play. My wife is also here. She had like 35 bucks of free play. I'll show you in here in a second. And just realized, we go up to the cashier, and I have $500. $500 of free play. Make sure you check your free play. And then I'm like, well, let's just scan yours. So here she goes, and how much do you have? She has $500 in free play. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk back to the craps table and drop $1,000 in free play, and we're not gonna lose it. We're gonna convert it. Home. We're gonna convert it to cash, and we're gonna take that puppy home, guys. That's the plan.
Stay tuned.
And so stay tuned for an update to see how we do if we turn our $1,000 into $1,000 of cash, or if we go home with nothing. Either way, it's been a great trip. It's been fun. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, check out different ways of playing. All right, guys, till Mark the Point, stay awesome.